Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an Azure AD account and the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. Next, sign into Portal. Azure. With your work or school account, then navigate to My Sign-ins or Security Info. Once there, click Add Method and choose Authenticator app to start registration. This step links your device. Make sure to permit notifications and camera access for QR scanning. If an admin policy requires it, complete any additional approvals before moving on to configuration. Now you register the Authenticator app itself. Choose Add Method Right Arrow Authenticator app Right Arrow Mobile app and follow prompts until a QR code appears. Open the Authenticator app, add an account, and scan the QR. If scanning fails, use the manual setup code. Once added, approve the test notification or enter the generated verification code to validate the link. After verification, add a phone number or secondary email and save recovery codes. These protect access if your device is lost. Finish by reviewing your security info page and marking a default sign-in method if you prefer push or code. Sign out and perform a test sign-in to confirm MFA prompts behave as expected. If a push notification does not arrive, open the app to use a time-based code or opt for SMS fallback. Both work to complete authentication. If policies block registration, contact your administrator. Make sure to store recovery codes offline. They are the last resort to regain access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.